I think this is my favorite video yet.
Some of these secrets are a little weird, but everything actually works.
Today we're solving everyday problems using Dollar Tree products, and I bet you have a ton of these at home. A brand new product at Dollar Tree is this stain remover. Check this out.
These are truly the mind-blowing secrets. Yes, this one is my favorite. I can't wait to share, and they're all based on your questions. So the first one is, hey Kathryn, what do you use to get stains out of clothes that have been there for a while? My friend, go to Dollar Tree and get this mini bottle of Pine Sol. You want to make sure it's the Pine Sol brand. If you have oil stains, sticker residue, or even those pesky underarm stains, put a little bit of Pine Sol right on your clothes and throw in the washing machine as normal. This is such a great trick and works so well. And maybe you want to know the secret of what to do when you're on the go.
They have these stain remover wipes. These are super easy to slip inside your purse. This is the off-brand of Tide and Scotch, a huge savings, and they work great.
This is the Shout Wipe equivalent. I tried this on a few garments and was definitely impressed. Up next isn't a question, but I think Kat speaks for us all when she says, I hate ironing.
Also, a brand new product in the cleaning section is Wrinkle Away. I was so excited to see this, and here's how it works. I really hate ironing. Let me know in the comments down below if you do too.
My initial expectations on this were pretty low, but I thought this spray worked really well. You can also do this with fabric softener onto your garments, but I like that this one didn't leave a residue.
All right, you've probably seen this at Dollar Tree and just never picked it up before. They have these sheet grippers. These are okay on your sheets, but like, I don't have time for this. I just don't have time.
Put this on the bottom of your ironing board. It will keep the cover from slipping off. Truly, this makes your ironing experience way easier for $1.25.
Also, it's been pointed out to me, I mentioned that I don't iron. It's a continuity error, but it does work. Charlie irons. I don't iron.
I like the power of spray and steam. Up next, I've watched numerous hacks. How do you get stains off of memory foam mattresses? Please and thank you, girl, I got you.
This is going to change your life. If you have stains on your mattress pad, come to Dollar Tree and grab a can of Barbasol, and you're gonna put this all over your mattress pad. This has natural cleaning and lifting agents. Because it's a nice thick paste, this is going to help remove your stains.
I saw recently this got kicked up on TikTok again, but girl, I have been doing this forever. So truly, I put a nice thick layer on and I let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then mix together a 50-50 blend of water and vinegar. You're going to rub this off and watch the stains magically disappear. This really is so satisfying, and what's more, it smells so good and fresh. So here is the before and the after. Definitely let me know if you've tried this one.
And what you might not know is shaving cream also works really well inside of your sinks. To clean it, it works great on nickel finishes to give it beautiful shines. This is not just for shaving, and your house is gonna smell great. I love the smell of Barbasol. It's one of my favorite scents.
Why does it work? Shaving cream contains a lot of the same ingredients as soap and other moisturizers, so it is awesome as a gentle cleanser on a variety of materials. It's great in stainless steel sinks to help return it to its original luster. And speaking of the kitchen, up next, Linda says she loves my hacks. And Linda, I promise you don't even need me to come over to do this one in your kitchen.
Come to the office and stationery section, and they have these brand new little paper holders.
The rose gold stuff is so pretty right now. Grab some zip ties, also from the Dollar Tree, and you can attach several of these together. It's the perfect command center in your kitchen.
And by the way, there's something else you might not know. This is literally the coolest hack. Are you ready? We're going to the kitchen section, and it's far, but I just thought of it, so I'm taking you there. Okay. I'm really getting my steps in today. How lucky are we that there is literally one left? These utensil rests. Now, normally these retail for at least $10 each. You can use this as a charging station. Because of the silicone, it has nice grip. These are really great, especially by your bedside table or if you're charging more than one device. I love it.
And while we're on the topic of organization, I got this question: how to maximize your space in small closets?
Come to the garden section too and grab these metal garden hooks. These are not just for your plants. You can also put these in your closet to hang your hats and your purses.
What I really like is these can also work in a chain link fashion. So you can hang them down as low as you want to, and they fit perfectly on your metal and wire racks.
These e-circuit lights, these are wireless LED lights. I have sung the praises of these. What I like is they're only $5 for two and they're motion activated. And they come with a remote control as well. You can even put them on a timer. These are really great inside of closets and dark spaces. I love it.
This is the game changer, okay? Especially if you have a really small and dark area. I feel like those tend to go hand in hand, hey? They also have push lights at the Dollar Tree and these amazing hangers to double your space.
Let's talk about stains. Let's talk about odor. I know you've got them, and I've got some solutions you probably don't know about. And the first is this foot powder. Now, this retails for about $4 to $5 in other stores. You can actually sprinkle this right inside your shoes just a little bit to help eliminate that. Also, the Dollar Tree has this Pears Clear Soap. This is a fantastic deal. This soap is so beautiful. Definitely great to set out in your bathroom or put in your sock drawer to help give it a wonderful scent.
And when it comes to beauty and self-care, there's a single trick that has been the most helpful, and that is exfoliation. Starting with your body and exfoliating bath cloths. These work so well.
They also have these exfoliating mitts. These look so high-end and classic, and they work incredibly well. I love having these in the shower.
Also, exfoliators for your face, as well as cleansing sponges. These are great, but can be really pricey.
If you want to exfoliate and wash your face, come to the Dollar Tree. You won't believe this is here. They have this Bio Blender Eco Tools system. Y'all, this retails for $5 and $10 each. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's here. They have these smaller cleansing mitts. They have these larger cleansing sponges too. And they also have this Real Techniques Miracle Skincare Sponge. I don't know about you, but when I see the word miracle on something, I have to try it. I learn from my viewers all the time. All right, you guys have been telling me I have to try the no soap needed makeup vanishing towels. These are normally pretty expensive on Amazon, but they have them here. You basically just get them wet and it removes all of your makeup.
Exfoliate, cleanse, and hydrate too.
They have these Aquaflow stainless steel insulated tumblers. They're only $5. This is obviously a Stanley dupe. I really like that they come in white too. Look at this one. This is great. And for also $5, they have these. Check this out. It has all of the stuff like on the front, so you can figure out how much you're supposed to drink. If you are trying to drink more water this year, this is really great with this straw.
They're also great for travel, and so many of you have asked for me to share a video on travel essentials and hacks.
I want to know if you are traveling for spring break. So my family and I are headed out to Nevada to do some of the national parks like Zion. And I want to share with you some packing tricks that I absolutely will be using. There are 3 of them. All right, follow me. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, look. This is a new product. Are we seeing this? I'm getting distracted, but hold on. With your bottles, come to the tool bench section and grab some painter's tape. You can put this on top of all of your shampoo bottles, self-tanners, whatever you have inside of your luggage. Nothing is going to pop out. I also pack this with me when I travel, so I can do the same thing on the way home. And
this idea exploded all over TikTok, and it is perfect because you can't fit your perfumes into your luggage. Just trust me on this one. All you have to do is pour boiling water over a mini pot of Vaseline from the Dollar Tree. Bear with me. I think this is my favorite tip of the video. Then when you open it up, it's going to be nice and soft. I really like the mini pots because it's so easy to travel with. You're going to mix it up with a toothpick and then grab your favorite perfume. This is my Coach perfume. I actually get this at Walmart. Quick tip if you didn't know that. I spray about 6 to 7 sprays inside of the container and then I close it up. Vaseline helps your perfume last longer. A pea-size amount is all you need, and then you just rub it on the inside of your wrists or on your neck, and it moisturizes too. Stick this in your purse and luggage.
And your shoes and your luggage, you want it to smell great, right? I feel like suitcases can kind of get that musty smell. You can grab these Scent Essentials little sachets. They come in these really cool burlap packs. I have seen them in peppermint. I've seen them in lavender. You can stick this inside of your bags when you travel. Everything's gonna smell nice and fresh when you get there. I really, really like it. I have more fun tricks. You can grab these little pot holders. This is also really great for your hot tools on your cabinet or your counter. They're great to stick in your luggage.
And what's more, because of the texture on them, they double as a brush cleaning mat. This is really great for travel or just for home.
And don't forget to grab some storage slider gallon bags. You get 5 for $1.25. These are really great to put entire outfits in. You can super quickly pack your suitcase like packing cubes. It's great for kids to see everything that you have.
When my luggage is visible, it's way easier to use. And that's not the only way to use plastic baggies.
Oh, hi. Oh my gosh, I have such a great hack for you. Okay, they have these resealable bags. These are really great for your jewelry when you're traveling, hey?
They are the perfect size for all of your fun, chunky, dangly earrings. You guys know how much of a fan I am of these, and you can find them in the crafters section. I really like to use packing cubes. I'll definitely be sure to link my favorites down below, but these are some of my favorite hacks for wherever you're traveling.
If you've got a great hack to share, leave it down below, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll get you soon. This is the most chaotic I've ever been. I'm like, listen, I got these tricks. All right, come here. Okay, it's definitely down here. It's definitely down here. Like, well, you can't take me anywhere.